Let's solve 5 national income numericals that regularly appear in CUET exams. Pause after each question and try it yourself. Question 1. Read the given information and find the national income. First, calculate GNP at market price by adding NFIA to GDP at market price. Next, calculate NNP at market price by subtracting depreciation from GNP at market price. Finally, calculate national income, that is, NNP at factor cost by subtracting indirect taxes and adding subsidies to NNP at market price. So, the answer is 1,800 crore. Question 2. Read the given information and find personal income and personal disposable income. First, calculate personal income by subtracting undistributed profits, corporate tax and net interest paid, and adding transfers. Then, calculate personal disposable income by subtracting personal taxes and non-tax payments from personal income. So, the personal income is 2,450 crore, and personal disposable income is 2,200 crore. Question 3. Read the given information and find the GDP deflator. Also state whether the price level has increased or decreased. Calculate GDP deflator by first dividing nominal GDP by real GDP and then multiplying the answer by 100. Since the GDP deflator is above 100, the price level has increased. Question 4. Find the value added by the firm. First, calculate intermediate consumption by adding the costs of raw materials electricity. Next, calculate the value added by subtracting the intermediate consumption from the output. So the answer is 3 lakh rupees. Final question. Read the given information and calculate per capita income. Also find the effect of increase in population on per capita income. First, calculate per capita income by dividing national income by population. Next, calculate new per capita income by dividing the national income by increased population. So, earlier per capita income was 30,000 crore, and it falls to 25,000 crore when population rises. If you could follow these, you are already ahead of most students. Practice like this daily. Follow for more CUET and board level numericals.